Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to check actual battery health on your iPhone in just a few easy steps. Here's what we will cover. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Use the shortcut method. Step 3. Access analytics data. Step 4. View your real battery health. Let us get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app. On your iPhone's home screen, tap on the Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap Battery. Now tap on Battery Health and Charging. Here, you will see the maximum capacity, which shows the battery charging capacity of your iPhone. But this is not the original battery capacity. Let us check the real one. Step 2. Use the shortcut method. Go back to your home screen and open your preferred web browser. Here, open the Safari app. At the bottom of the screen, in the search bar, type iPhone battery shortcut. From the search results, click on the first one. Scroll down the page and click on Battery Stats Shortcut. Your iPhone will now open the Shortcuts app automatically. Then tap Add Shortcut to save it. Step number 3. Access Analytics Data. Now go back to your home screen again and open the Settings app. Here, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down and choose Analytics and Improvements. Then, tap on Analytics Data. Here, you will see a list of files. Look for the most recent date and tap it to open. Step number 4. View your real battery health. Once the file opens, tap the share icon at the top right corner. From the options that appear, scroll down and click on Battery Stats. Now wait a few seconds while it processes. And there you'll see your real battery health on your iPhone. And that's it. You have successfully checked the actual battery health on your iPhone, not just the estimated one. And hey, this video is for educational purposes only. The methods shown are based on publicly available iPhone features and shortcuts. Please use caution when downloading or installing third-party shortcuts. Results may vary depending on your iPhone model and iOS version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Apple Incorporation and is not responsible for any issues that may occur from following this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And if this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Thank you so much for watching again, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.